Let's count together nice and slow. Ready, set, here we go. Let's count together nice and slow. Ready, set, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting numbers helps us thrive. Keep on counting, don't you stop. Numbers going to the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's all count them once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the numbers are going up. Count them slow so we don't mess up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.